Hello! You've just created an account in Jusnote, and the next step is inviting your team members for collaborative work. Basically, you need to do only a few steps to invite your team members to Jusnote. The first thing you should do is to go to your settings, then tap on the Team section. On this page you can work with your team, in particular activate, deactivate and invite new people to the system. Also, you can change the permissions of each particular user, but we will talk about this later in this video. When you first created the account in Jusnote, you won't see any users here, and this page will be empty. On this tab you can see all active users of Jusnote. In this tab, all deactivated users. And here you will see all users who haven't received an invitation from you to join the system. Let's go to the Active tab and invite your first employee. Tap on the Invite button. The system will open a pop-up in which you can add in information about your future team member in Jusnote. Enter his email, then write his name and surname. The next step is defining permissions for this particular user. Let's learn more about each permission. Administrator is the person that can make any changes in the system settings, invite users and set permissions, as well as appoint new administrators. Bank accounts. The user with this permission can see the Accounts tab in the left sidebar of Jusnote and will be able to add the information about current accounts, conduct transactions, see the balance and transactions on bank accounts. Reports. The user with this permission can see the Reports tab in the left sidebar of Jusnote and will be able to create various reports within the system. Invoices. The user with this permission can see the Invoices tab in the left sidebar of Jusnote and will be able to create, edit and delete invoices, as well as register payments in the system without going in the Accounts tab. You can select all permissions simultaneously, as well as set just a few, or just one. The next step after defining the permissions for this particular user is actually adding this user to a group. In this field you can select a group to which this user will be added. If you don't have one yet, just leave this field empty. After all fields are completed, tap on the Invite button. You will see the notification that you have successfully invited this user to the system, as well as you will see this user in the Invited tab. After accepting the invitation by the user, you will see him in your Active tab, and will be able to work with this team member to achieve your goals and make your low firm more profitable and successful, easier.